well-known, respected, and loved Labrador helicopter. 442 Transport and Rescue Squadron in the search and rescue role. And who's that waving to us there? Oh yeah, look at that. Talk about friendly. Whoops! Oh no! Well, one less crew member to introduce. These things do happen, don't they? Give us the opportunity to demonstrate for you the search and rescue role of the Labrador helicopter. 442 Squadron, of course, very well known, not only here at CFB Comox, but all over the search and rescue region of British Columbia, and for that matter, part of the Yukon, because these people do a tremendous amount of work with this airplane and also the de Havilland Buffalo aircraft that you will see demonstrated a little bit later on in the show today. Captain Reed from Thunder Bay, Ontario, our pilot today, and Captain Holm of New Jersey, United States of America, flying the Labrador helicopter. After the helicopter does a circuit, they'll come back and show us how they work in the search and rescue role. Rappelling down from the position of our poor guy who fell out of the helicopter. And you can see exiting from the aircraft, or getting ready to exit from the aircraft, another SARTEC being now we'll go around the airport and pick up all the scripts for the rest of the air show that have blown away while that was going on. Oh, a little breezy there. That aircraft is produced by the Boeing Vertol people in Canada. It has a cruise speed of about 120 knots. The engines are two General Electric T-25 shafts, the Normalite engineers, and two search and rescue technicians. That airplane has a maximum endurance time of about 6 hours, so it can stay aloft in the search and rescue role for quite a while. You can see the smoke canister being used. This indicates to the helicopter the exact location of the SARTECs that are on the ground. That is also part of the reason why they're wearing those orange flight suits. I think Manfred Radius's ribbon just got cut. A demonstration of how they get these people back up into the helicopter. We still got one fellow on the ground, and they'll send down another cable and hoist him back up. They call that first maneuver the double up, where one of the SARTECs actually goes up with the patient on the hoist. helicopter will give us a little demonstration of its versatility here. Its ability to fly sidewards, do almost a conventional landing, as you will see it fly backwards. And turn 90 degrees, complete it through 180, and just go right around. Tremendous versatility in the Labrador helicopter. New search and rescue squadron as they just corkscrew that Boeing Vertol Labrador to complete their performance for you today.